In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Payhip. By the end of this walkthrough, your Payhip store will be sending visitor and sales activity into your Google Analytics reports so you can see what's working and make smarter decisions. First, open your Google Analytics account. If you have multiple properties, make sure you're in the correct one for the website connected to your Payhip store. We'll be using Google Analytics 4 here, since Payhip works with the GA4 measurement ID. Now click Admin Settings. You'll find the admin gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Analytics interface. This is where all property level configuration lives, so it's the right place to grab the connection details we need. Next, click Data Streams. In GA4, data streams determine where data is coming from, such as your website. If you don't immediately see data streams, double-check that you're in the correct property column, not the account column. Then, click your specific data stream. Choose the web data stream that corresponds to your site or storefront URL. Opening the correct stream ensures you get the exact identifier Payhip needs. On this screen, copy your measurement ID. It's displayed prominently near the top of the stream details and usually starts with the letter G, followed by a dash and a series of characters. Copy it carefully and keep it handy. This is the only value Payhip requires for the connection. Now switch over to your Payhip dashboard. Click Account. This is typically located at the top of the page and opens the main controls for your store settings. Next, click Settings. This section holds everything related to your store's configuration, from payments to integrations. Then, click Advanced Settings. This is where Payhip groups technical options and integrations like Google Analytics. Here is where you paste your Google Analytics ID. Place that measurement ID you copied from GA4 into the Google Analytics field exactly as it appears, with no extra spaces. Using the correct measurement ID is what allows Payhip to send your storefront activity to your Google Analytics property. That's the full connection. To recap, you opened Google Analytics, went to Admin Settings, Data Streams, selected your specific stream, copied the measurement ID, then in Payhip, you went to Account, Settings, Advanced Settings, and pasted the ID. After this, give Analytics a little time to start receiving data. It's normal for reports to take a short while to populate, especially if your store is new or traffic is light. Once data begins to flow, you'll see visits, traffic sources, and conversion events inside Google Analytics, helping you understand your audience and optimize your store.